This arrived from Race Day Quads today. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Okay, so here we are. It's Monday, December 2nd, 2019. And I ordered this last week, and as usual, Race Day Quads has excellent shipping. So let's open the box, shall we, and see what's inside. We've got some paper. I don't think this has very many things. I think only 3 small items. We're on a budget this week. Okay, nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Here's the Race Day Quads battery strap. We'll put that over here. See, we'll put that over here. Okay. What else do we have? Junie. Thank you, Junie. And we have 2 things here in these bags. Let's see what we have. And we have this. We might as well do this first. This is the kit of XSJT, I can't remember. JST Sh? JST Sh, that's what these are. And they're nice silicone cables, I think, and wires, and you can make your own connectors. They have different number of pins there, and that is a very handy thing to have around when you're building lots of FPV things. Okay, put that here. Let's see what we have here. Here, let's switch cameras and see what we have underneath this wing. Let's move the wing out of the way. Let's move the quad out of the way. And let's see what we have in the box. Can we do it? Can we get in here? Okay, and yes, we have the smoke stopper. Okay, so a little explanation is due here. I hope it's in focus, I can't tell. The smoke stopper, I could have made one of these, but I couldn't find a damn socket at the auto parts store. And so I decided, well, at the cost of 2 XT60s and the cable, the silicone cable, and the light bulb and the socket, this was only $6 at Race Day Quads. No price there, but it was only $6 and something at Race Day Quads. Okay, so there's our smoke stopper. And whether you're building quads or whether you're building race wing type thing or FPV wings, you want a smoke stopper when you first plug it in. Now, I've had one of these. These are the electric one, or the solid state ones, and I do not think that these are a good idea. I've had an instance or two when I've had a short and somehow miraculously it didn't short out the flight controller, but I shorted out some other components on a quad build once using that. It worked, and I didn't check with the multimeter, and if I would have found it too. So anyway, smoke stopper. This is probably the better smoke stopper than this. What else do we have? The last thing. Only 3 things today. And this one, ooh, that was close. This one is the R9 Mini. I like these. I keep buying them. I seem to keep buying them over and over. This one looks like it was opened, but it doesn't matter to me as long as it works. That is what is in this wing. You can see the R9 Mini. At least you can see the antenna. The R9 Mini's down in there. We can turn on the light, maybe we'll see. So, look at how small that receiver is. That's the R9 Mini, and it is tiny. It is a mini receiver. And this blue stripe, by the way, means that this is the FCC version of the antenna, or the 915 megahertz, supposedly tuned around that frequency area. Okay. That was what's in the box for today from Race Day Quads, and there's nothing else on the way to me right now from either Banggood or Race Day Quads or Ready Made RC or Buddy RC or Amazon. None of those places. We're on a financial hold at the moment through Christmas. I might buy a couple little miscellaneous things here and there, but I have to miss out on all the sales and all the things because I have other priorities financially for this coming month. But we'll be building, and we'll see you around next time with what's in the box. This is AC for Dank RC. Have a good day.